I'm starting off the look with L'Oreal Base Magic Primer, and then I'm moving on with the color correction. I'm using the Purple Cosmetics concealer palette, taking the orange corrector and applying it all over the hyperpigmentation. For foundation, I'm using the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline in the shade 330, dotting it all over my face and blending it with a round brush. For concealing and highlighting the high points of my face, I'm using a cream concealer by Star Cosmetics and applying it all over the places where I need to brighten up and blending it again with the round brush. I'm using a dark brown contour shade from the same concealer palette to contour my jawline and my cheekbones and my forehead. So blending it again with a brush, and to set my makeup I'm using the Biotic Magic Compact. Moving on to my eyes, I'm creating a outline with a brown lip pencil, and then I'm smudging it out with the Wet n Wild Ultimate Pro Kit, the dark brown shade. Inside my lids, I'm using a golden glitter, liquid glitter by Nika K, and I'm applying it all over the place where in between, like to give the golden shimmer look. On my lower lash line, I have applied the same dark brown shade, and on the inner corners, I have applied a highlighter. The other eyes I have done off camera. For highlighting, I have taken the Faces Canada Ultimate Pro highlighter and highlighted my cheekbones, nose and cupid's bow. For the blush, I have taken the Eye Magic Touch blush and I have applied it on my cheeks. Actually done my eyebrows off camera too. For mascara, I have taken the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. Finally, I have applied some sugar lip balm on my lips and followed it with e.l.f. satin lipstick in the shade Cherry. So this is the completed look. If you liked it, follow me for more.